Back to my channel. Today I came up with the latest recruitment, that is BEL recruitment for BE who have completed in course in mechanical, electrical and for civil. Okay guys, let's see the job details. Before that, still who are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe this channel and click a bell icon for notification. Okay guys, let's see the job details. Watch the full video for detailed job details and don't skip anywhere also. Guys, here the BEL, a Navaratna company and India's premier professional electronics company under Ministry of Defence, require the following personnel on a contract basis for a Machilipatna unit. Here they have mentioned for project engineer electrical, one post is there, project engineer mechanical, one post, project engineer civil, one post, trainee engineer electrical, one post, trainee engineer mechanical, one post, trainee engineer civil, one post. Here the upper age limit for project engineer, all the three branches, urban or EWS 28 years. For trainee engineers, urban 25 years, OBC 28 years. Here the minimum post qualification experience for project engineer, they have mentioned 2 years, for trainee engineer 1 year, and reservation urban 2, EWS 1. For trainee engineer, reservation is urban 2, OBC 1. And remuneration, the salary for project engineer, all the three branches are 35,000, and for trainee engineer 25,000. And next we will see the education qualification. Here the project engineer electrical and project engineer mechanical and project engineering civil, for all branches, candidate should have completed full-time BE or BTech or BSc engineering 4-year course in, for electrical branch electrical, for mechanical post mechanical, for civil branch from a recognized institute or university and secured first class PWD. Candidate should have secured pass class. And for trainee engineer electrical, trainee engineer mechanical, trainee engineer civil also, they have mentioned same, you have to complete BE in respective branches electrical, mechanical and civil, then you can apply for this job. And the application fee for this post is project engineer only 500 rupees, for trainee engineer 200 rupees. Candidates belonging to PWD, SC and ST categories are exempted. For SC ST there is no fees. And once you selected, and the selection process is like that, there is criterion 1 and 2 is there, based on the percentage of marks obtained in essential qualification, 75% of marks will be there, and candidates meeting on the basic eligibility criteria of relevant work experience as mentioned will be awarded 2.5 marks. For every completed 6 months of relevant work experience, 1.25 marks will be awarded. The maximum marks in the criterion is limited to 10 marks, and the total 10 marks are there. And the interview, video based interview for the startlated candidates, 15 marks, total 100 marks. And how to apply means, you have to go to the official website, go to belindia.in and go to careers and recruitment advertisement, click on a application, apply. And once you apply, you also go for online payment and application fee. I have given a notification link in description box also, you have to go to that and apply. If you have any doubt, you go through the notification, and if you further also you have doubt, put in a comment box, I will solve the issue. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel for more daily job updates videos. It will help lot of students, and share this video also. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Once again, please subscribe this channel, support me.